So, have you ever found out why men love butts and boobs? Okay, in this video, I'd like to share with you reasons why men love butts and boobs. Now, very important, you want to understand that you see, butts and boobs are important for sexual selection. You see, and understand that men are highly visual with male selection. So looking at these two features is important for them when they want to select their female partner, right? So butts and boobs actually allow men to know if the potential mate is fertile or not. You see, this is kind of genetic, it's kind of inherent in them, even subconscious, that men looking at women just want to look at the mates that can potentially carry their offspring, you see, that is fertile enough to keep their seed, to germinate their seed, right? So when they look at the butts and the boobs, they are looking at the features that can allow the female to protect and to keep their seed, to turn their seed to offsprings, right? Okay, let's look at it now. The butts actually show that okay, the woman can give birth to offspring. Okay, having a big butt means that okay, she's got maybe a big pelvic bone, she's got a big hip, right? She's got ability to, when she wants to deliver the baby, maybe she's got pregnant, and when she want to deliver, so she's gonna safely deliver, she's gonna have problem with delivery. You see, that is about the butts. About the boobs, you're looking at the ability of the woman to breastfeed the young one, right? To breastfeed the baby. Okay, so a man looking at the woman now, having that, well packed, breast, is looking at, what, she's gonna feed my baby well. You see, so men actually look at that and they are attracted to those features. Very important. So even most times, because of the way it's so natural and so intuitive, or say it's so kind of genetic, men don't even know some of these reasons why they actually love that. They just know, okay, maybe naturally they just feel like they just love those things, but they don't know the reason why, right? So but that's very important to know. Yeah, even though it's also like more for pleasure, for affection, and for sex and all that, right? So but it's very important to understand that this desire or this love is not just for the pleasure alone, but also something nature has designed to actually make men select well, to look for healthy female that they can have sex with, right? Very important. So men always look out for women who actually have good butts and boobs. Okay, so they want to see that they look healthy. Yeah, so they love to see that. And of course, when it comes to temporary pleasure as well, looking at that, at those two body parts actually make men enjoy sex as well. It makes them enjoy it as well, and they want to just go for it. So it's pretty much like when you're looking at food, when you're looking at food, you're looking at very nice food and you're looking at not so nice food. So of course you want to go for the food that looks so nice, even though probably it may not taste nice, but most times looking nice tells you that the food is going to taste great, right? So looking nice is going to tell you how the food is going to taste great. So the same thing when it comes to this sexual selection too. Men also like to go for women who have those nice packages, because it's just simply tell them that, you know what, she's healthy, she's beautiful, she's cute, she can carry my offspring, and she can feed my baby, you see. So so that is why men, even intuitively and said inherently, love butts and boobs. Alright, so thanks so much for watching the video. If this is your first time, make sure you press the like button. If you've not been on the channel, I also like you to subscribe, whether you subscribe or not. So please make sure you subscribe and share the video with your friends. And thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.